Hi guys, welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So in today we have a lovely, I do love these monsters, a Mercedes C63 AMG, the estate version, this one in black. Lovely bit of kit. So this is in to have the wheels fully refurbished and done in like a bronze colour with a satin lacquer. Also the brake calipers to be done in red with new decals to the brake calipers. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, turn on the notifications, and let's see what you think of this one. Happy days.